Hello and welcome to my Metroidvania Godot C# course. My name is Johan Forsblom. I'm a systems and games developer and I'll be guiding you through the process of how to create a Metroidvania game using the Godot game engine and C# as scripting language. In this course, you will discover advanced techniques for creating an immersive Metroidvania game with many different game mechanics which unlock unparalleled freedom in exploration and level design, allowing you to craft a richly layered, dynamic world. So, let's take a peek at some of the exciting game mechanics you will master when you enroll in this course. You're going to learn how to set up parallax scrolling backgrounds to give the player a nice environment to move around in. Next is auto tiling and automatic merging between tile sets. And as you can see here, we can use the different tile sets to quickly build up our levels. You will also learn how to implement and use the class-based state design pattern for controlling the hero. The next feature is dynamic jump height. The longer you hold down the jump button, the higher the hero is going to jump. Next up is the sliding feature, where we can make the hero go through narrow passages. Next, we have the ledge grab and ledge climb mechanic, which is gonna make it easier for the player to navigate through the levels. Next feature is the glider, which can be used to cover longer distances, opening up exciting possibilities for interesting level design. The next mechanic is how to do double jumping and multiple jumping, which is often used to restrict players from reaching certain areas before they acquire that ability. In the same section, you will also learn how to implement wall jumping. You will also learn how to implement forgiving mechanics that will remove frustration from players. The first one is coyote time, which gives the player a short amount of time to perform a jump even if he has passed an edge. Next forgiving mechanic is jump buffering, which allows the player to jump if he's just about to land on the ground. Another forgiving game mechanic you will learn to implement is corner jump correction, which will push the hero around the corner instead of bumping his head into it. You will also learn how to jump and drop through platforms. Next up, you're going to learn one of the most fun features, in my opinion, that I have in the course, and it is rope swinging. And in the same section of the course, you will also learn how to implement rope traversal. Next, you're going to learn to implement one of the most iconic features of a Metroidvania game, and that is the minimap. The next thing you will master is how to shoot arrows with a bow. You will learn how to implement the wall crawler, which is an enemy that follows the walls. You will also implement this main menu and its settings. So let's have a look at the settings part as well. In the settings menu, we can customize our controls for both keyboard and gamepad. In the audio tab, we can change the music volume, the sound volume, and the master volume. And in the video tab, we can change settings such as full screen and borderless window, and we can also change resolution. Next, you will learn how to create the inventory and equipment panels with all the slots. You will also learn how to pick up items inside of the game and put them in the inventory and the equipment. In this case, we are picking up the glider from the pickup sphere and we put it into its designated slot in the equipment. The next feature you will learn to implement is how to set up a shop so you can buy and sell items inside of the game. And of course, you're going to learn how to add chests to the game. And many other features as well. This course is well suited for developers who have a bit of experience with the Godot game engine and some familiarity with the C# programming language. Whether you have created a simple game or just getting comfortable, this course is going to help you expand your skills and bring your Godot game development abilities to the next level. Alright, let's jump into the course.